Within the artificial intelligence world, there's a belief that the black box is incomprehensible, impenetrable by our understanding. It does what it does, it seems to do it correctly, and we do not know why it arrives at the decision it does. However, let me share a good news with you. This is not true anymore. In fact, it was inevitable that we would unravel the black box at some point, and the good news is that it has actually happened. We can actually now understand the black box. Now you don't have to hear from data scientists or machine learning engineers that, oh, it's a black box, we can't understand it, we don't know why it made that decision. Actually, no, we can actually understand black boxes very, very easily and understand the decisions it creates and then the decisions it makes. And what's amazing is that we can actually create equations out of the black box. They are called white boxes, and what's interesting is that they are very useful and extremely accurate in understanding the black box itself. And what's really amazing is that now we can actually understand why the black box actually makes the decisions it does, and we can actually quantify those decisions, and that's quite useful for medicine, pharmaceuticals, getting your mortgage or loan approved from banks, getting your insurance approved from car insurance or other companies, and also it's very important for self-driving cars. So this is basically great news for the artificial intelligence world. We can actually now understand black boxes, and we can actually create white boxes or equations out of the black boxes and plug in the numbers and in fact solve the equation and understand why it arrives at the decision it does. So this is definitely a great news. Everywhere where AI is heavily utilized, we'll see a transformation in their understanding of how AI actually forms a decision and how does it come up with an equation within that black box. Now you can actually unravel that black box and understand really what's going on behind the black box. I definitely see this as a great step forward, as a great piece of research that will move artificial intelligence to be adapted even more across the industries, because now you can actually understand them and actually quantify the risk of that black box and understand where it's likely to get something wrong and why it's likely to get something wrong. So you can actually go back and improve on the data and the training and architecture itself. And the process of creating a white box is quite simple. First, you actually have to create the black box itself. So you do your normal model training. Once the training is done, then you create a white box model on top of the black box. So the black box is necessary, is needed, and the white box then gives you the equations of everything that black box is doing. So that's the great news. It's a mind-blowing new discovery. It's a mind-blowing new piece of research within AI, and I definitely want to start helping my clients with that particular tool. So if you have a black box that you would like help with, get in contact with me. I can definitely help you with that. And if you are looking to unravel or create white boxes out of your black boxes, then definitely get in contact with me.
Zane Daniel is a data strategy consultant. He helps small businesses make money by clarifying data strategies, data goals, and data implementation. He can clarify your data strategy, help you identify where to use AI, and how to implement your data projects for maximum savings and profits. Get in touch with him on LinkedIn or visit mlsense.ai.